How to make invitation in Canva using phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you launch the Canva application, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. So if you want to make an invitation, rather it be for your birthday or your wedding or any special occasion, what you can simply do is tap on search templates. Here you can simply search for invitation. So for this video we're going to search for wedding invitation and then tap on the search bar. So as you do that, you can see there are different options over here. So you can select whichever is more convenient for you. I'm going to select one of these, and as you do that, what you can simply do is you can select, or you can change the colors, you can change the font, you can change the design as well according to what is more convenient for you. So if you like this particular design, you can simply change the name of the bride and the groom and simply send it and make invitation just like that in Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.